This is Feepy from Toy Tune Reviews. Today we're going to be opening this very lonely Lego head that's made of Play-Doh, and it's an egg. So let's crack this thing right now. Let's do this thing. See what's inside. Awesomeness. We got a Series 13 Lego package, another one, a 6-brick package, and a Transformers Micro Changer package. First, we're gonna open this Creo Micro Changers pack. Dun 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 dun, dun 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 dun. I bet who we have is Iceberg. Oh, we have Breakneck. Magical scissors, I summon you again. Dun 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 dun, dun 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 dun. So that was awesome. I got Breakneck and we're gonna do the vehicle form in a little bit. The 6-brick packs are not so mysterious because there's a little clear part in the back that you can see through. But I already know, but I'm not gonna tell you. And if you wanted to know, now you will see. We have Hairy Fangface. Hairy Fangface surprisingly uses a stake as his weapon. I can't wait until I can use Hairy Fangface in the game, but now let's get to the Legos. Okay. Dun 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 dun. Please don't be a copier. I don't. We have the Samurai of Justice. We have a Samurai Warrior. Maybe even she can take down Batman. Series 13 for the Lego minifigures is probably the favorite of my sets, so I'm pretty excited to open this one. It is the last one. And we have the Goblin actually again. That's kind of surprising. We are going to be giving one away because we already got the Goblin in one of the previous videos. So remember to subscribe, leave likes, and also to enter for the weekly giveaway. Also leave a comment and say hi. Everything is awesome when you have a samurai fighting a Wolverine-ish thing. That's weird.